Nĩ ngatho nyingĩ mũno nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na gũikarania na ithuĩ rũcinĩ rwa ũmũthĩ. Asanti sana inyuothe mũrathiĩ na mbere na gũkorwo mũkĩaranĩria na ithuĩ kũrĩa 22888. Nĩ tũgĩthiĩ na mbere no ngũririkanie tu atĩ kahinda gatarĩ kũnene nĩ tũkorwo tũgĩthiĩ kũrĩa igoti-inĩ kũrĩa Milimani kũrĩa cira wa the second deputy president wa bũrũri ũyũ ũragĩthiĩ na mbere. Nĩ cira ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũgĩthiĩ na mbere wa kũhagũrwo gwake. Turirikane atĩ nĩ maracoete affidavit makiuga nĩ mekwenda mareherwo ndagĩtarĩ Gĩkonyo ũrĩa nĩwe ndagĩtarĩ ũrĩa wamuonire rĩrĩa cira wake wathiaga na mbere kũrĩa Senate, nĩwe rĩrĩa atuĩkire nĩ arwara na akĩguthũkio Karen Hospital. Nĩ marauga nĩ mekwenda akorwo agĩũka igoti-inĩ na gũkiuga nĩ atĩa gwagĩthire kana nĩ okire kana arĩ mũrwaru kana ndarĩ mũrwaru, na igoti rĩragĩtĩkĩra affidavit ĩyo na kũragĩtuĩka nĩ sawa agĩkorwo agĩũka. Ndiũĩ kana ũmũthĩ nĩguo gũgĩũka kana ũrĩa gũgũgĩthiĩ kana harĩa hakinyĩte nĩ tũkorwo tũkĩingĩra kũu igoti-inĩ kahinda gatarĩ kũnene tũkorwo tũkĩigua cira ũcio. Mawakiri na mwena wa mũthuri Tirigathĩ na mwena wa thirikari tayari nĩ marĩkĩtie gũkinya, no majaji ngwĩciria makĩingĩra kahinda gatarĩ kũnene nĩho tũgũkorwo tũgĩthiĩ. Tũrarĩrĩria ũndũ wĩgiĩ mũgambo wa mbeũ njĩthĩ rũcinĩ rũrũ na nĩ tũrathiĩ tũkĩũranagia ciũria ndikĩru mũno. Wa mbere Wendi, no nyende kũmenya kana nĩ mũrenyitithania na ciama, because nĩ guokirwo gũkiugwo we are partyless, we are leaderless. No handũ hatarĩ kamũbango kega nona nĩkuo rĩu mwanake ũcio Angel aranjĩra tũcarie, nĩ tũkũmũcaria. Nĩkuo twaiguĩrĩire ta makorwo makĩgũrwo. Koguo kĩũria kĩnene rũcinĩ rwa ũmũthĩ nĩ mũkwanjia kwĩnyitithania na ciama, nĩ mũkwanjia kwĩnyitithania na ateti kana atongoria?
Sure. Iyo kunyitithania in Kimeru we say it gochigwatithania na atongeria bau banene na gochiunga na biama. Yes, youth toka join biama because kuna leaders who are ready to help us maneuver. Of course they have the experience and we are young, we are new to the grounds. Of course ito kwenda that mentorship and ito tobati gochiunga na biama and parties are there. We might decide to join the parties that are there, Jubilee, DCP or any other party that is there. So tukachiunga na biama and we will be there. By the way, youths are uniting. In Meru, twena kiama gigwetwa Meru Future. And we are saying Meru is where my story begins and the future is not tomorrow, it is today. We are merging, tunataka kuleta a movement. We make sure youths hawaja lose the confidence in the government. Ile yenye tunasema I'm going to vote lakini najua Ruto ataingia 2 term, hata nikivote 1 term. Tunataka kuiondoa in our minds and in our parent minds. So lazima tukue na movement and a party. And on that point, Meru Future is a group of students vile nimesema. We are uniting the comrades around Meru.
Wenye wako beyond Meru.
Meru bonde. Barabe ke institutions around Meru na Kenya outside Meru in the countrywide. Toriuga, we want to be the government, the next government. Na pia we make our parents understand that it is through their votes that we will make good leadership come 2027. On Saturday we met the organizing secretary DCP, Bwana Medeka Rentori, and he's a listening reader. Because tukiwa kama Meru Future, tuakarire nthi, toga we want to see this leader. Tulitafuta tukatafuta mpaka the 2-term leaders, wenye wako 2-term. We wanted to see where we will be listened. Parabaga tuthikiria. But Honorable Medeka alikubali, tukaenda kwake nyumbani. He hosted us on Monday. And he's listening. Na anatuambia kwa agenda zake anavai governor Meru. Anatuambia kwa agenda zake ni to make sure the youths are involved. And he made a point that ndaigwa youths ana make akona agenda 50 for youths. And that is what we are going to sell to our parents, and chama tutajoin yenye inatusikiza, that is the one that is serving our wishes, our hopes.
Mwita mbeu njĩthĩ a Meru. Already mwina mũtongoria ũretwo Kithure Kindiki, deputy president wa bũrũri ũyũ. Nĩ mũgeretie kwa approach nake kũigua meciria make.
Kithure Kindiki namjua kama a sober leader, and I love the fact that he is a DP in Kenya. But acha niseme my chairman Meru Future, tulikaa na yeye chini akaniambia hivi, okay, the governor wa Meru sasa Mr. Mutuma ako close to Kindiki because kwena njĩra iria tũbati gũkũrũkĩra kenda tũmũkinyĩra. So gwe time etire ki office ciao ambire tire orua ko andiki aja, are you employed here? So how do you get to maneuver so band? Tumejaribu, but Kithure Kindiki is a sober leader according to me.
No kumukinyira mukaremo.
Tukaremo.
Hey. Okay. Frankly no abogo hope no akigwa ndeto yo tondu ari gutingikorwo no akwanyu nwe wikarire giti na ni aremwo piu ni gukorwo akiaraniria na andu,
especially tukiongeanga hiyo story na the Meru Future Comrades, walikuwa wanasema ni Meru mwenzetu, lakini ndarikana kwe kiugaga anaponde iba mami, lakini kweore zile mamako akaenda kuvunja kuni akarudi na mtoto. Sasa unajaribu kumu-accommodate akue wenu, inashindikana.
Ati uguo na kwewe Mike.
Ati maitugu athire kunango agicoka na mwana. Umuka kigeria kumuinge gucoka no nake mukaremwo. Ni acokire na mwana.
Usiona Daughters of Mumbi, there is a 10th Mumbi, na it was the same.
Ito irimo.
Mumbi athire kunango agicoka na.
Nikure wa irimo. Nikure wa irimo hau. Nikyo kwiragwo kenda muiyuru. So no iguo horo cio araria. Access kuri atongoria. Makageria no iguo ucio ni mundu ikarire gite ucio na niwe na resources cia ukorwa akiona andu aya ona muno makeria nuga ni Meru Future Meru Future niwe wagiru no ukorwe na access itondo ndakigwa helicopter muthenya iraland koguo ni agiru no ukorwa amuonete access.
Sure, and it's giving us more reasons to be on the other side, because we are trying, but kina MP sitting MPs kina Bwana Kagushia, we were with Kagushia at KU. Such leaders wanatusikiza, lakini there are other leaders when you still need to, I don't know vile ina work, and pia unasikia kuna youths wenye walibebo from Mount Kenya wakapelekwa Karen. Unatafuta where are those youths? Nilikuwa napata ni wazee age of my parents. Ndo wako huko, the close, wenye wako close na the current sitting MPs, your government, maybe those close persons, ndo walikuwa huko, Karen. Sasa tunashangaa, what kind of government is this?
Mwaranirie na Enjo niwe munene wa Ayuthi, kiama kia Jubilee.
Yes.
Enjo twara ando
And by the way, on that matter, the youths wakitoka Mount Kenya wenye walipelekangwa Karen, I was speaking to my area MP, Bwana Kindiki, that white-haired man. I was speaking to him, and I was like, mheshimiwa, hii list ya kwenda Karen imejaa. Ananiambia yes imejaa, nitakubeba next time. And amebeba those old people.
Watu ilio urakora ati youthi. Ni andu youth at heart.
No, wendi mutikamake.
Lule.
Karen kwi mehie megi.
Already we wikiama-ini. Ni uraigua mateta maria.
Ni ndiraigua. Ndenda kumu invite ndimutware kuria Karen kwa Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Ko I want at least audience ya future leader. na mukorwo mukiguika tondu party itu ni very deliberate na maundu ma youth. And I think ona ni munyonaga kaingi ona tugika press conference giega kanya ga kugondu
and you know I've attended a meeting in Jubilee.
Oh, you have na niki rudi tena rudi nyumbani na ona ni muonaga ni heagwo kanya ngari agauga kaundu, you know, encouraging the nation. And Beoje, their issues are not rocket science, Mike. No guthikiririo. What are you trying to articulate? What are you trying to say? Ukona ati they're just ideas that they want them listened to. And that is what Wendy is trying to say here. Na mishamani yoria tukoragwo tugika kuria Jubilee Party headquarters na ndirenda kwira Beoje every Thursday ne tukoragwo na mushemanio wa Beoje wa Jubilee Party Youth League. Ya kwira Beoje this is what happens in a party. You know, gutara political party, you know, it looks like a big monster. So most of the young Kenyans now, they've never been members of any political party. Marigo, you want us to join political parties? Tura join Neki. So tukoragwo na every Thursday, tukoragwo Youth Thursday, tukashamani ya Haria Party headquarters, State House Road, and the meeting is open to everyone who wants to listen. Modoreda kumenya kiama kia Jubilee, how does it operate?
Kugo ona rucio mwakoro.
Ona rucio tugakorwo kuo, yes. And tukoragwo na two types of meetings. Tukoragwo na virtual meetings kana tugakorwo na physical meetings. They no tukorwo twina function outside Nairobi kana twe out of twe in the field. We do virtual meetings hwaine kuma thaa 2 nginya thaa 5. Tukari every other issue about youth, where is the challenge here, every Thursday. Na negeretie ku empower Beoje kumenya this is how a party works. Makaenda kumenya, are we fielding a candidate in Olkalau? At least I'm there to respond to such questions because I'm a member of NEC. De mumeba wa NEC. Kogo they na access to information.
Na wauga nemo kwina modo karau.
Yes, na riu ira ne turatangathire kwina modo karau. Na Youth League maramenyete ona even ahead of time because they are in touch with me and they are communicating with me. Beoje, their biggest issue is just being heard, just being listened to. Onogiona mishemani iyo twekite 2024 tukiariria president William Ruto. Tukimwira have listened to the youth. Let the National Youth Council be advising you. Corona mishemani ya Ayuthi at least every other time. Ona Museveni mwamona atari modo mwega uguo. National Youth Council ya Uganda is one of the best in Africa. It has proper structures, ina funding jega, na Museveni ni ageragia kumathikiriria. At least every quarter ne makoragwo na convention mena president wao. William Ruto ona doe no chairperson wa National Youth Council. He does not know. No eriruo oreirie thaici akienda kumumenya no. But at least you should have known them since 2024. That is almost 2 years ago. No engagement. Unwauga nimerenda gwika ithurano cia National Youth Council. Na no nyende Beoje makorwo involved in the National Youth Council elections. National Youth Council neo bunge ya Beoje thiini wa thirikari. Very important institution. It is protected thiini wa constitution ito ya Kenya. The National Youth Council Act of 2012 is very clear. Any young person in Kenya should participate in the National Youth Council. Thirikari ino irenda ku machinate niguo ihuthire council leo kuruta to have their own agenda in 2027. But shock on them, we are going to occupy National Youth Council from the ward level to the national level. The structures are very clear. I was a member of the National Youth Council board 2 years ago when CS Musheru, Minister wa Ayuthi. We were there and we did a lot of civic engagement, especially towards 2022 election. And maundu tamaya ni magirirwo guthie na mbere. Tukorwo na elections nyingi, bunge nayo itige gwitigira National Youth Council. Todo most members of parliament maumete from National Youth Council. So it is a great platform for young people kumenya utongoria, kumenya bururi utwaragwo atia, kumenya even different facets of our political economy, you know. Just apart from government, kwena opposition, kwena political parties, how do you become a member of a political party or even become nominated to parliament or even become an elected member? tondu ouguo ngugite kabere, the only thing standing between us and Ruto must go ne bunge. And that is where we must occupy. Riu tutiguthie bunge kuria micere, tuguthie kuu turia tongoria, turia thure ne andu aitu a constituencies citu. Because at the moment the representation of youth is very limited. Members of county assembly, out of 1,400 plus elected members, only 317 are youth, are below the age of 35. Na ũngĩcũthĩrĩria wega no wone atĩ onacio macagũrĩtwo me 34 kana me 35. It should be very clear that it is here members of county assembly at least 50% ciagĩrĩrwo cikorwo occupied nĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ. 50% should be young people, whether independent, from Jubilee or anywhere, because those are serious decision-making bodies. Todo mbeca cia exchequer cithiaga kwe counties. Counties, there is devolution. One of the most beautiful thing, the Constitution of Kenya 2010 irehete thĩinĩ wa bũrũri ũyũ witũ.
No angĩkorwo rĩu nginya arĩa magĩrĩirwo nĩ kũmarĩria matiramaigua rĩ, you know, naigua wendi arauga ati mageretie makageria ũũ atongoria acio nĩ maikarĩire itĩ rĩu nĩ makinyire. Then mbeũ njĩthĩ mũkĩagĩrĩrwo nĩ gwĩka atĩa? We wĩna mũnyaka nĩ nyonaga mũndũ gwĩtwo Matiang'i ona kwĩna press conference no ũheagwo kanya ũkaria, no igua matirĩ marakinya makinya manene ta marĩa ũkinyĩte. Kũrĩ arĩa me kũrĩa thĩ, arĩa marĩ o thukuru, angĩ nĩ matigire thukuru, tarĩu he ngurubu meta Ayuthi youth group, na kiu rĩtwa rĩu ngwĩciria nĩ rĩa mbere tũkwamba gũcenjia, nĩ tũgaikara nao nao maranjĩra the same thing, makanjĩra tũtirahota gũkinyĩra nginya ambunge aitũ. Tondũ mũmbunge kana mũndũ wothe wĩ gĩtĩ-inĩ ona hatahe gũthĩnio arathĩnio nĩ andũ aya, na ingĩ andũ acio na matirabatara, tarĩu no igua acio mecokanĩrĩirio enyewe, hatirĩ kĩndũ mbeca cia mũndũ marabatara, me thukuru tayari. Then mũgĩcenjia mũkĩingĩra inyuĩ mũgũcenjia atĩa Angel?
Mike, kwĩna kĩndũ, there is something, the status quo nĩ ĩraregerera maũndũ ma traditions and all that, how things have been done in the past, but there is something coming out of this generation. Now that is the digital revolution. Finance bill ya 2024 ti thirikari ya tuthomithagia guku igithiaga door to door gitwiraga niguo bill ya 2024 2025 irauga. Mbeũ njĩthĩ took up upon themselves gwithomithia that finance bill na ikimenya this is how the finance bill is going to, this is what is going to happen to us. O guthomithania TikTok lives ciathiaga nginya very early in the morning. Gutarana, what is the constitution, what does it say, what is the finance bill, niguo mbeũ njĩthĩ mathie for a very friendly visit kuria bunge. It is the police who made it unfriendly. It was a very friendly visit. It was the third day of the reading of the finance bill, niguo thie State House, because they had read and they had known kwena first reading, kwena second reading, kwena third reading. That day of the third reading that was the day of occupying parliament. Because of that, to stop the third reading. Ni mathomete na makimenya muthenya ucio ni muthenya wa kuga ni kipindi cha lala salama. Sababu ikienda kwa State House, that is gone. Tutaekewa the Kenyan Iron Dome. Ni umioi. Sengenge ni ng'ombe. Hiyo niyo twenayo ta bũrũri wa Kenya. Karigishia State House niguo mbeũ njĩthĩ matigathie State House. That is how far the government of today is going to lock out the youth from accessing them.
Ndĩrenda mwanjie kuga kwa heri niguo tũthiĩ kũrĩ goti-inĩ.
Okay, Mike, no kwĩna mwanake gwĩtwo Njega arauga nĩ namesake yaku, nĩ yuthi kuma kũrĩa Limuru, aretwo Jenga Mbogua.
Asante.
Ngugeithie muno.
Jenga ndageithĩka ngarana.
Nĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ, very exciting, na nĩ aratwĩrorera. Nikwendaga mauge atĩ nĩ ndĩramwĩma access kwĩ Mike, koguo reke ndangathe haha. Makugeithia muno, but I think I am very ndĩna kĩoneki kĩega kĩa generation ĩno itũ. We are going to get there. Let us join political parties. Let us register as voters. Let us trust these institutions. But we are going to have a caveat. Maga gwĩka ũrĩa tũrenda, we are going to deal with them squarely and perpendicularly.
Asante. Wendy, mere kwa heri.
Oh, thank you so much. Before Mbuga kwa heri, let me send my let me bring you your greetings.
Thank you.
Mavich Joroge, send hi to you, and Lucy Wamaida, I told you. And before I forget that, acha nisalimie wanafunzi wa KU, niwaambie tusi give up. Hapa government, the next one tukijitolea vizuri, we tell our parents, the Kenya is ours. Thank you so much.
Asante. Nashukuru sana tuliita mkakuja, ngatho nyingi muno ni tuguthie tukimwitaga wire groove iyo ni tukumacaria tuone uria tungika. Asante sana.
Asante.
Na mwana kiocio ri mwire onake okay tuikare haha. Ni ngatho nyingi muno tugukinyiria hau turenda kuthie imwe kwa imwe nginya kundu gugwitwo igoti-ini. Jaji already ni marikitie gukinya, Gachagua nake ni arikitie gukinya, koguo cira ni hindi ugukorwo ugithie na mbere. Mutindie thayo mungirori magukumia nake Jehova Ngai